and welcome back to the channel. I wanted to share some of the pieces that I have picked up so far this spring for my spring summer wardrobe. I'm really trying to be super intentional about purchases and either upgrade basics or add in pieces that I feel that I've been lacking but are still kind of timeless in my book. So first up, I rediscovered Sezane, the French brand. I haven't bought stuff from them in years, but when I realised that they'd done personalisation, I seen it on TikTok, someone had got this shirt, I had to get it. Honestly, it's just like a classic basic shirt. I wear them all the time, great layering piece, like amazing summer piece you can wear with so many things, and this is really beautiful material, so it's airy and light, but like it's gorgeous quality. But I just felt like with where I'm at with my wardrobe just now, I want to be so intentional that when I add pieces in, it's not just for the sake of buying something. I want it to last, but I also want it to be unique and personal to me. I feel like my style sometimes recently has just been getting a little boring, and I'm not really like that. I feel um, I used to have maybe more of an edgier style, so I'm trying to get back to what I really love. And so, yeah, great piece. And next up, I picked up these suede Western boots from Mango. I just kind of felt like I wanted a pair for summer. I've had cowboy and Western boots for years. I was literally obsessed with them when I was younger, and they were just all not great quality and they didn't ever last well. And these are only from Mango, but they are suede. I just wanted to kind of try them out to see how I felt like wearing them again. Did I feel like they were me? I used to wear them a lot with skirts, and I actually wore them for my birthday dinner with like a long silk skirt, and they were perfect. So I feel like these are such a great piece. They were like £60, I think. Um, Really nice quality. Love them. They're so comfortable. Had no issues. I've literally worn them and so many times in the last week since I got them. So an amazing piece, and honestly, like, just can't wait to style them in different ways. I feel like they're just so chic, and there's so many ways, especially in the spring summer, that you can wear them. So I will obviously link them below, but also just to note I got true to size. So next up is another piece from the French brand Sezane, and honestly, I think it's called the Gaspard Cardet. Don't quote me on it. I'll leave it linked below, but one of the best pieces that I have bought in a long time. Super versatile, great, such great quality. I literally forgot how much I love their pieces, especially their knitwear. They just do everything so well. Um, Another piece that I was influenced from TikTok of all places, but still an amazing girl that I follow there. And I think she has it in a sage colour, which I think I'm going to get as well for summer, because they're such great quality, and I think it's around £85, and they give you like a tote bag with it. Honestly, cannot recommend enough. But yeah, I love pairing it like this. I've been wearing it underneath blazers. I wore it in New York alone, buttoned at the top with a tank under. I wore it traveling. Honestly, just one of those pieces that you feel like you can always like throw on. This colour goes with so many things. Such a great basic. But yeah, I really cannot recommend this enough. If you're looking for something, especially where I live, like, it's not the best of summers, so I feel like you always need that kind of layer to throw on. But yeah, I wore this actually on when I was traveling, and it's just a Uniqlo tee, like one of those like £15, but super thick, and I paired it with this cardi and then a blazer on top. When I was traveling home, and I always get freezing on the plane. And yeah, it was just perfect, and I was super cozy and warm because it was an overnight flight. But anyway, yeah, I just love these pieces. I will also leave that tee from Uniqlo. I'm obsessed with Uniqlo the past year. Just cannot stop buying their stuff. But especially their basics. Anyway, I will leave everything linked below. And yeah. And next up are just some pieces that I bought from H&M. I think I bought these around Easter weekend, and I have been wearing these and the denim that you can see. These are just simple, like cotton linen blend trousers. I just love these for like every day in the summer. I have like a black pair as well. I actually went in to get like a beige and white stripe one that they had, slightly thicker. They didn't have it in store, but I seen these and they were only like £15. So I just decided to get them. They do sit low, but that's fine. Like I'll just wear it with a tank. Not always like a top like this. If I was wearing this cardi, I'd probably wear like a lower tank. Um, but yeah, a super great basic, like kind of everyday, put it on with like sandals, trainers, easy, comfortable, but still super chic. Anything with a stripe for summer, yeah. And okay, now the piece that I've been so excited to show you guys. So I got this in New York. It's something that I have been so excited about. Like I literally have been looking at it since like January, maybe even before that. I had it on my Net-a-Porter wish list and I was like, I'll maybe get it in New York. Honestly, it's not that much cheaper. Like, I think it was like £50 to £70 cheaper. So, really, not. But, and I'm actually surprised I got it. This was the last one in white. But, oh my gosh, this bag from the Row is the most insane quality. It's just every time I wear it, people are like, "Oh my god, that bag!" And I feel like the people who know the Row just get it. It's just like look at the quality inside, the shape. I honestly love it. I wore it out for dinner in New York, and I just felt like it's the perfect bag. So I had been thinking about. I wanted like an evening bag but that I could still use in summer and daytime. So I had been thinking about a Bottega for a long time and I just kept like going back and forward. I feel like everyone has Bottega and that's fine. Like I still wouldn't really necessarily put me off from buying it, but I was like, do I want to spend like 1,800 to 2 grand on this bag? I don't know. Everyone has it. I don't know about the quality. I just wasn't sure. But this bag from the Row, I just feel like it's unique, timeless, classic. I literally have never seen anyone else wear it, especially not here, only on social. But it just adds like something unique to every outfit, I think. The shape is just perfect. I love it. And yeah, I really wanted to invest into different pieces in my wardrobe. I feel like I'm kind of going through like at the beginning of a style evolution. And as I'm getting older as well, just turned 31, God, um, I don't know. But anyway, I love it. And this is just next up a jacket that I got from H&M. This one was like £35. I just really needed like an everyday kind of throw on jacket, and I usually wear Gap denim, but I seen this in store, loved how it fit cropped, because my Gap ones don't fit like that. They're a lot longer, and they kind of when I'm wearing like high waisted trousers, etc. I just didn't really love the fit. But this one, for the money, such a great piece. I feel like denim is something that I'll go through quite often. I think I've actually spilled like a bit of coffee on it there, you can see. But yeah, I love it with this. Just simple, easy, everyday, throw it on. These are the kind of summer looks that I live for. Summer easy pieces like the stripe, cardigan, like knitwear, denim jacket, basic tees. These are the pieces in spring and summer that I just gravitate towards. I want to feel comfortable, but I still want to be put together and just look summery. Like I feel because the weather isn't always super warm here, I want to still feel like that. And oh, I've also thrown on a pair of vintage earrings that I got on Etsy that I am obsessed with. I don't know why I haven't showed you a closer up shot of them, but I will link them below. Anyway, everything will be linked below. I feel like this has been a bit of a frantic video, but I hope you enjoyed this haul. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Sorry for the big delay, I was in New York, but yeah, speak to you soon.